Losing weight while you sleep isn't just a dream. Let me explain. The gelatin trick is a bedtime ritual that's been gaining attention for its ability to help your body wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. By incorporating the gelatin trick into your nightly routine, you can start to notice a difference in how you feel in the morning. Your body might feel more limber, your skin clearer, and your energy levels boosted. My friend recently started doing the gelatin trick every night before bed, and she swears by its ability to help her drop that heavy, sluggish feeling that used to weigh her down in the mornings. She simply mixes some gelatin with warm water, lets it dissolve, and then adds it to her favorite bedtime tea. The gelatin trick works by helping to regulate your digestive system while you sleep, which can lead to a range of benefits, from improved skin health to increased energy levels. To get started with the gelatin trick, check out the link in my description below for a simple recipe you can try tonight. For more tips and tricks on how to make the gelatin trick a part of your bedtime routine, be sure to check out the pinned comment below, and don't forget to give the gelatin trick a try and see how it can work for you. You can start benefiting from the gelatin trick tonight.